12 out of the mid now, 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 13, 12 out of the mid now, 13, 12 out of the mid now, 13,000, gonna do 13,000, now 13,500, 13 out of the mid now, 13,500, 13 out of the mid now, 13,500, 13,500, now 14,000, sir, right back to you, and 14,000, 14,000, 14,000, 14,000, now 14,500, 14 out of the mid now, 14,500, 14 out of the mid now, 15,000, it's up to you, sir.
Squat 301, it's an ST-10.
Year 2013.
Nice running machine, hydraulic tailstock. We'll start a cycle, let you see everything in action. Just the basic lathe warm-up. As you can see, lot 301's a nice Haas ST-10. Good luck, happy bidding, I hope you get a great deal.
95, you're at 9, don't raise your own bid, now 9,500, sure, 95 to the mid, now 95, got it, now 10,000, 10 to the mid, now 10,000, give me 10, now 10,5, 10 to the mid, now 10,5, 10 to the mid, now 10, 5 to the mid, now 10,5, 10 to the mid, now 10,5, 10 to the mid, now 10, 5 to the mid, now